I believe we're nearing close to a river. This right here is some horsetail. And this here has many good uses. This is actually some pretty big grown horsetail. Usually you like to forage it when it's like much smaller. So we're definitely, you'll always know that you're getting close to water when you see horsetail, because that's usually near riverbeds. So let's see if there's some water up here. See a pretty cliff? Oh my gosh, guys, I wish I had caught this, but something just splashed into that water. I think it was a rock though. Yeah, it definitely had to be a rock. Okay. Oh, look at the water. Oh, there's a Canada geese over there. It's here. Horsetail. It's good for your kidneys. But I read some kidney conditions it's not good for some kidney conditions, but it's high in silica, it's high in calcium. So it's really good for your hair actually. The mane and tail conditioner that they use on horses and stuff actually has horsetail in it. So a lot of like hair products will have horsetail because it'll help grow your hair. It's good for the shine and everything. Look, it's definitely spring. Look at the bumblebee. Hello. Bumblebee. Look at that pretty bumblebee. This is going too fast. Okay. Just surprised me, and it's, see, okay, you see how you can see the tail there? You can see it. Hello. Oh, I'm up close to a snake. Oh my gosh, it looks like one of those snakes. It's not like poisonous. I think it's maybe, is it called a bull snake? There it goes. It's, oh! Oh, there's a snake right there. Yeah, I think there is. Oh, okay.
They're all garter snakes, so they're really fine.
Oh, they are? Oh, okay.
So skittish, they'll just
Oh.
the trails.
Oh, okay. Oh, thanks. That's good to know, because I didn't know what it was called. I thought it was called a bull snake or something.
Our bull snakes are much bigger.
Oh, they're bigger? Oh, okay.
You'll see them on the
Oh, really? Oh, sweet
This is
things.
kind of the beginning. Like if you come out in a week or two, there'll be even more.
There'll be more? Oh, wow. That was a surprise. Well, thanks for letting me know.
If you're quick, you can grab grab them, they don't bite.
Really?
Kind of wrap them around your hand.
Oh, that's so cool. That's funny. I'll have to try that. Thank you. Let's see. So I think it might still be there, but I think it's gone. I think it might have left. It just moved so fast, I think. So I think once it got surprised once the dog came. Yeah. So I've actually never been on this trail before. So I'm being brave today. I'm on this trail and just not having any worries. I'm just staying chill, listening to some relaxing music. That's a good way to relax. And oh, that tree looks interesting. That is really interesting. The only thing that sucks is my stomach ulcer or whatever. It's going to starting to kind of hurt, and it's like darn. But yeah, that's the snake. So I'm gonna see if I see some more snakes. There's a lot of snakes. There he goes. Oh, there's another one right here. Hello. Hello, snakes. They're all in the grasses. There's the other ones going. Oh, look at, there's that one. Oh, he's fast. There's two of them. So I'm thinking that the hawks must eat them because there's like an osprey nest that's over here. I'm gonna show you guys that maybe the hawks come and eat them and the other like beavers and other animals. So they probably eat the snakes.